Hi everyone. We are working on simplifying expressions today. Go ahead and take out your notes. You are going to need some colored pencils, so go ahead and make sure you have those, and let's get started. An expression is a mathematical phrase that can contain variables. Variables are your letters, constants, those are your numbers, and operations. We are going to label this with various colors, so go ahead and make sure you have them. First thing we're going to do, oh, that was ugly. Is this. This is a term. That whole thing is the term. The first part is called the coefficient. That is the number that sits in front of the variable, which brings us to the next piece, which is the variable. Your addition sign is your, operation. And last but not least, we have your constant. Okay, so terms can be classified as like or unlike. And expressions can be simplified by combining like terms. This is what we did yesterday. Terms that are like terms must have the same variable and the same base. For example, 7x and 9x are like terms, and 4D and 3G are not like terms. This is going to be very similar to yesterday, so you should be great at this. Okay, so we're looking here for like or unlike terms. So I'm looking here, and I hate black. Why did I do that? And those two are our like terms. So I have negative 8c and positive 8c. Looking in this, I have negative 12x and positive 12x. 9y, 5z, 9w, none. 11g and 11 and negative 7g. So I have 11g and negative 7g. The next one, I have 5/10 t and 1 5/10 t. 2.5 is not. Okay, how about this next one? I have 1m and m and 1. These two are like 1m and m. They actually mean the exact same thing. 4b, b, 7, 9b. 4b, b, and 9b. Okay, and then this 0, negative 8, 13, or my constants are the same. So I have 0 and negative 8. Okay, you guys are going to do this column the same way because this is kind of a review from yesterday. Okay, only like terms can be combined in order to simplify an expression. The Robinson family ordered snacks at the state fair. They bought the following drinks D, pizza P, and ice cream cones C. Write an expression to represent their purchases. So this is the easiest way to do this. I have pizza plus drink plus ice cream plus pizza plus ice cream plus pizza plus drink. Oh, you can't see that last drink. It's there. Let me change the color. Drink. Okay, now we want to simplify that by combining like terms. So I'm going to count how many P's I have first. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 P's. Come back and count my D's. 1, 2, 3 plus 3D. And count my ice creams. 1, 2, 2C. So how does this example relate to an algebraic expression? Well, In algebraic expressions, each term can only be combined with another like term. For example, I can all my x's with x's, in this case, p's with p's, d's with d's, c's with c's. This is very similar, in which pizza can only be combined with pizza. So I'm going to write that explanation down in a lot less words than what I just said. Okay. Does that make sense? I hope so. So we're going to practice simplifying. Once again, this is what we did yesterday. So this should not be very complicated. I'll show you one or two examples. You're going to go through and you're going to find your matches with color. And then you're going to add or subtract. This is 7a plus 8a gives me 15a minus 6. Okay. And I'll do maybe this one. E negative 7e. This one is a 2er. So I have 3 minus 7 is negative 4e. And then negative 19 plus 10 is negative 9. Okay, so you're going to finish the rest of these. You're going to give me a 2 to 3 sentence summary about what you did. Explain like terms. You can talk about the different constants, variables, coefficients, all those kinds of things. Make sure you're using correct terminology. And then we have some practice with decimals and fractions, always a good review. Make sure you figure those out properly. They're not that hard. These actually have the same denominator, so you're not going to freak out too much. Okay, for classwork, we're going to be working on these. So you're going to give like terms. So this is, you're going to make it up. So you can do like 2m, negative 7.5m, and 387m. As long as the m is all the same, that's a like term. Okay, and then the bottom half of the paper, all you're doing is combining like terms that we did right here. After that, you guys will have a DOL that you're practicing on. Okay, you guys have a great time.